Pi Network Protocol 22 update, don't miss this. The deadline is 27th of April. So if you are not running Pi node yet, you might be missing your chance to become part of Pi's mainnet validation system. And today I will show you exactly how to set it up the right way. But before we dive in fully, what is Pi node? Pi node is just a system or software that runs on a computer. It helps validate transactions and it also uses Stellar's consensus protocol. Pi network is moving towards decentralization, and with this, you can be part of the mainnet validation system. The requirement to set up Pi node, the first thing is you need a stable internet. You must have a stable internet, and the second thing you need to set up your Pi node is PC or laptop. You must have a PC or laptop. It is not run, the node is not run on the phone, so it must be your laptop. The third thing is that you must run frequently. Upline matters. You must make sure that your internet is on 24/7 so that you can run frequently without any interruption. Now, how to set up your Pi node step by step. The first thing you need to do, if you come over to your Pi network, you will see node information concerning the protocol upgrade, and you can see that the Pi Mainnet blockchain protocol is under upgrade. So every mainnet node must upgrade to version 22.1. You see the deadline, which is on 27, as I have said. So to set up your Pi node step by step, the first thing is you must download Pi node. Go to your desktop or your PC and download the Pi node. The second thing is that you have to install the software. Once you install the software, you log in with your Pi account. Then you install required package. Then you keep node running. These are the steps. You download the Pi node first. You install the software. You log in with your Pi account and you install the required package. You keep your node running. So this is basically what you need to do to keep your node running. You can find more details about this upgrade S account. So you have to go to their website and read about it to secure your account. So this was the update they made. I think yesterday they made this update concerning the upgrade. Yeah, it was yesterday they made this update, the Pi Mainnet upgrade to protocol, and the deadline here is 27. All mainnet nodes are required to complete these steps before the deadline to remain connected to their network. So once you click on this, it will take you directly to their post where you will read more about it. So another thing they said here is about the Pi smart contract capability. You can see it also on your Pi network. So take your time, take your Pi network, read more about this smart contract, how it fosters recruiting, utility driving use cases. We talk about the e-commerce, the streaming, the online tools, the more power on chain. Read more in the Pi Mining app. So this is where you can read more about it. So they say the Pi first contract is here on the testnet subscription and every other thing. They said if this fosters use cases that map directly to real products and recurring utility driving services such as e-commerce, streaming, online tools, and more. While subscriptions are commonly used by traditional Web2 businesses, they have been difficult to implement to achieve frictionless user experience on the blockchain system due to trade-offs such as repeated authorization, total budget payment, off-chain coordination, or added account infrastructure. Pi addresses this challenge with a design that supports recurring payments without giving up the wallet level control that blockchain systems are meant to preserve. So take your time and read more about the smart contract based on subscription. So in Genesis Crypto Class, our goal is to provide high quality educational content for viewers all over the world. If you are in Nigeria, US, UK, Australia, wherever you are, we are looking forward to build a long-term wealth in crypto ecosystem. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and join our Telegram channel for high value updates. So make sure that you have set your account, you have done your KYC. If you have not done your Pi KYC, please make sure you do that immediately. Another thing is to make sure that you have put your passkey. I've made a video on that. I also attach it in this video save your passkey, authorize it, and make sure that your account is clean. Do your mainnet checklist. If you have not been verified or you still have another thing waiting on the mainnet, make sure you complete it. So make sure you complete anything in this mainnet checklist. Your KYC is very, very important so that you can participate and be among the people that will benefit on this validation system Pi node. Do this and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video.